Have you ever heard of a time when flowers were more valuable than houses? In the Dutch Republic during the 1630s, a financial frenzy was ignited, not by gold or silver, but by tulips. Yes, you heard that right, tulips. This period, known as the Tulip Mania, marked the world's first recorded financial market crash, a captivating tale where the humble tulip reigned supreme and fortunes were made and lost overnight. So let's dive into the fascinating story of the Tulip Mania. Imagine a world where simple tulips became the hottest commodity. Yes, those delicate, vibrant flowers we all admire. In the Dutch Republic of the 1630s, the tulip was more than just a flower. Its unique patterns and vibrant colors transformed it into a symbol of wealth and status. Demand for these coveted blossoms skyrocketed, turning them into the most desirable asset. Everyone wanted to own a piece of this colorful commodity, pushing tulip prices to unprecedented heights. And thus the stage was set for the world's first financial market crash. Hold your breath as we delve into the beginnings of futures trading. In the thick of tulip mania, bulbs were not just bulbs, they were akin to modern-day stocks. Buyers didn't actually possess these coveted flowers, they were simply betting on their future value. Imagine it, a marketplace where petals replaced profits and speculations bloomed as brightly as the tulips themselves. This was the birth of futures trading, a game of chance and prediction. The frenzy was about to reach a fever pitch. Brace yourself for the twist in our tale. The humble tulip had transformed into a symbol of status, a symbol of wealth. As the frenzy intensified, the prices of these tulip bulbs skyrocketed to unimaginable heights. At the height of this mania, believe it or not, a single bulb was worth more than an opulent house in the heart of Amsterdam. The public's infatuation with these vibrant flowers had crossed the realms of rationality. Whole estates were traded for a single bulb. People were mortgaging their homes, investing their life savings, all in the pursuit of these prized petals. The desire to own a tulip bulb had become more than a trend, it was an obsession, a madness. This was no longer about owning a beautiful flower, it was about being part of an economic phenomenon, a financial revolution. But as we know, what goes up must come down. The madness had reached its peak. But then, the unthinkable happened. In a sudden turn of events, the tulip market, once the pinnacle of prosperity, crumbled. The first signs emerged when a single tulip bulb, which was expected to fetch a fortune, found no buyers. This triggered a wave of panic selling. As the fear spread, tulip owners rushed to sell their precious bulbs, causing prices to plummet dramatically. The once vibrant market was now a scene of chaos and desperation. Investors who had once dreamed of riches now faced the harsh reality of financial ruin. Many who had mortgaged their homes or invested their life savings in the tulip trade were left with nothing more than worthless bulbs. The tulip, once a symbol of wealth and status, was reduced back to just a flower. The frenzy had ended, the madness had subsided, the bloom had withered, and the market had crashed. The tulip mania had burst, leaving in its wake a sea of wilted dreams and financial despair. Fast forward to today, what remains of the tulip mania? It stands as a stark reminder of the dangers of unregulated speculation and market frenzy. It taught us that even the most beautiful blooms can wither, and financial markets, no matter how dazzling, can crash. The Tulip Mania, the world's first recorded financial market crash, continues to echo in modern financial markets, reminding us of the fragility of economic bubbles. Thus, the tale of Tulip Mania remains an extraordinary chapter in the fascinating story of market manias.